Hello friends, today we learned speech on our country India. Good morning respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am here to give a speech on our country India. India is a peaceful and democratic country. It is one of the seventh largest country of the world. It is the second most populated country of world. It is also called as the Bharat or Hindustan. India is well known for its spirituality, philosophy, science and technology. In the fields of literature and science, my country has produced a prominent personality such as Rabindranath Tagore, Premchand, C.V. Raman, Jagdish Chandra Bose, and Dr. Abdul Kalam. People in India are of various religions like Hindu, Muslim, Jain, Sikh, Buddha, Christianity lives here together in every part of the country. The architecture of my country is famous throughout the world. The Taj Mahal is one of the greatest monuments of the world that exist in India. It is considered as the symbol of external love. Apart from it, the Kashmir, called the heaven on the earth, is in India. India is very famous for its agriculture. The chief crops of India are sugarcane, cotton, jute, rice, wheat, and many other cereals. India is a perfect example of unity in diversity. So many people from different culture, tradition and religion come together to make this a great nation, and I am proud to be a part of it. Jai Hind. Thank you.
थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स। अगर हमारी वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें।
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.